I was very excited when I got this for my birthday. I have not had the best quality videos of all time, but with this, I'm gonna have better quality videos after this video comes out. From now on, my videos are gonna be top quality, which is why I was excited when I got this for Christmas. I can't wait to show you the camera. So, I'm very excited to open this. I've never actually really had a camera. My gosh. First, we have a camera strap. I could like wear this when I need to shoot videos and stuff for my channel. This will come in useful. Never really used a camera before. Okay, here's the charger. It looks very impressive. No? I think this is another charger. Okay. Let me check. The battery. Now, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe that's just how this works. Oh, I figured out how this works, everybody. I think that's how it works. Does this look correct? I cannot wait for the future of videos on this channel with my camera. Higher quality videos from now on will be coming to this channel. Subscribe, and I think you would really like this video about my house and the tour of my house.